unboxing. Yes, you might be asking yourself, what is happening now? Very simple, guys. I almost broke my ass neck just a little while ago with the chair. I'm telling you, weird things happen around here. By the end of this video, I'm gonna be a complete disaster. Let's go with it, guys. Just go with it. You guys know the process. Let's start unboxing, because I ain't gonna stay here for 15, 20 minutes. My kneecaps hurt already. Bro, I'm getting too old for this crap. I'm not gonna lie to you. Nothing for the crazies here. Let's open up the first one, guys. We all know the rules. Cleaver in hand. Check it out. See what we got here. Boy, they took care of this box magnificent. Like no other. Let's see what this is. Boy, I gotta become a surgeon up in this joint. What the hell's in here? That's a lot of bags. Oh, yes, I know what this is. Ooh, my boy, Chachi. That's right. Damn, Chachi, you threw it down, homie. I'm talking about extra care up in this joint. I love it. Spot on group, my boy, Chachi. Hooked it up. Yes, Supreme. I gotta do the video on this, guys. I'm not gonna do the whole unboxing on this right now. Supreme. You're the man, brother. Thank you. That's right. Oh, bro, nah, I gotta keep this one for the whole review, guys. Once again, spot on group. Thank you, guys. Man, I got a disaster over here. That video is going to be the Hidanina Supreme haul, guys. Yes. Now, let's open up. Let me see. Let me make sure there's nothing here for the crazies once again. All right. We're doing good on this one. Let's check out what came over here. They both came here today, guys, the same day. Man, what a disaster. No lie, guys. Desastre total. Here we go. Let's check out what we got over here. ¿Qué es esto? Jordan. What Jordan is this? What Jordan is this, bro? It's a Jordan. Let's check out what it is. Oh, that's a lot of wrapping. Man, now I can't hold off on this one. I gotta do the review instantly on this. Man, check it out, guys. That's a lot of strings and stuff. Here it is, guys. The Royal Blues. Alright, I'm not even going to talk about it. But, yeah. There's a lot to talk about this shoe, guys. Beforehand, before release. There's a lot to talk about this shoe. There's a lot to talk about in this shoe. Very nice. Okay. All right. Let's leave this right here. I'm not even going to keep you guys waiting. I'm doing the unboxing. Give me at least a day to edit everything, guys. I was not even expecting this at all. Once again, things just keep piling up over here. The boxes are out of control, guys. But I'm gonna tell you something. That one left me a little deaf right there. Yeah. This is the Hida Nina. Hida Nina. You gotta see this review, guys. You gotta see when I take out this review. No lie, bro. You gotta check out the review. You gotta check out the review. Don't worry about that. When this comes out. This is little elevated heart rate right now. I didn't even expect it. Very, very, very nice. Very beautiful. Nice. You know, like I really want to do it right now, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to hold myself because that one deserves even a chat at the end. We got to converse about this because let's just say it wasn't what I expected, man. First of all, I wasn't expecting the shoe to get here. And I was not expecting that ensemble. Let me put it like this, guys. So, I'm bringing the review. Like I said, give me a day. Give me at least a day, guys, for me to edit it correctly, do a good video, much details as possible. Honestly, I think in the whole game, literally out of all the reviewers, I detail the shoes the most. I take my sweet time, even if the video takes long. I take my sweet time to give you guys every single little detail, the close-ups, everything. You guys know how I do this. I ain't playing no games. I ain't with that shit. But anyways, once again, definitely coming up with the whole unwrapping of this one. Spot On Group. And I'm just gonna do a lot of things, guys. Man, this thing actually got to me on this one, man. And I don't get shocked up so much with the shoes. I'm not gonna lie to you, but this one, that one got to me. Like I wasn't expecting that feel out of it, that quick, man. Yo, I'm actually gonna right after this. I'm gonna do the review. So just in case, I know I say it, I always end up changing. But if I am with the same clothes, just let me know. Excuse me, guys, that right now my kneecaps, I can't feel them, guys. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Whoosh. This is gonna suck ass. Oy.